Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Multi Creation, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paper pocket diary, which is very simple to make. Hope you guys enjoy it. So watch till the end, guys. So guys, for making a paper pocket diary, you'll need a sheet of paper of any size. So guys, you'll need to fold that paper firstly as shown there, and you need to follow the same step I have done there and fold it twice as I did there. And the same process goes on the other paper also. You'll need to fold the same way you did before on that paper. Here it goes. So this is the paper I folded just right now. Now you can file it as many paper you want. Just file it up and make a cutting there. So you need a scissor, guys, and make a small cutting. Make a small bit of cutting like that, and you need to cut on the rest part of your paper. So this is it, guys. This is the cutting that I made just right now, and you also need to cut it as same I have done there. And now it's the turn of folding. Just fold it like that and make another folding also. Alternately, you need to fold it alternately there. You need to fold it alternately. So this is how you are gonna fold that paper. Just make sure that the folding is alternate like that. So this is it, guys. The folding you need to make sure is it should be an alternate. So let's go for a little bit of cutting part. Grab your scissor and just cut the joint part there, just like that. You need to cut every joint paper and make it single, that you can fold it and turn it. That's it, guys. You need to cut every part of that paper that is linked with another one. So that's how I cut there. So this is it, guys. This is the now, and it's done, guys. This is the final look of that paper pocket diary that you are gonna make it, right? And this is how it exactly looks. You can compile a lot of paper and make it even more thicker. If you want to create the small size, then you can fold it more in the beginning, and then you can just go and make it more thicker and bigger. So this is how I actually made the paper pocket diary, which is very simple to make, and you can write here every notes, simple notes. You can carry it on your pocket. So guys, this is how I made the paper pocket diary. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. At the end of this video, I'm gonna say is Happy New Year 2018. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, guys, if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.